In Washington, trade talks between China and the United States continue after the U.S. raises taxes on imports from China to 25%. China has threatened to take similar action. In France, Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg meets with French President Emmanuel Macron and praises the country's efforts to control hateful content online. In Burkina Faso, French special forces have freed 4 foreign hostages in an overnight military raid that killed 2 soldiers. And in South Africa, the African National Congress appears to have won the national vote for the 6th time.